The solar investment tax credit, recently valued at 26%, has been increased to its original value when introduced in 2006 to 30%, and is extended through 2032. As part of the Inflation Reduction Act, solar projects can now access even more dollar-for-dollar tax credits. Previously valued at 30% from 2006 until January 1, 2020, ITC stepped down to 26% and remained for 3 years after COVID-19 relief legislation extended the 26% term to 2022, with planned step-downs for 2023 and 2024. After this 10-year extension, agricultural, commercial, and industrial solar investments now can claim at least 30% of total system costs, either on their taxes in the next year or carried forward to future years. New systems built in 2022 will also benefit from the extra 4% credit. The solar ITC is an important driver for solar's affordability. The 30% tax credit significantly reduces the total project cost, and now with possible cash rebate options instead of a tax credit, it opens the benefit up to nonprofits and other businesses that may not have had a tax liability.
The passing of Inflation Reduction Act is a huge win for solar industry and all energy users. With the recent rise in energy costs and increased demand, a 4% increase in tax credit really help a lot of companies to be able to make a decision on converting their energy source from traditional energy to solar energy.
An important new feature to the ITC is the inclusion of systems that use standalone energy storage or solar plus storage, as large batteries can help buildings reduce their electricity costs even further. The new provision for direct cash payment opens a lot of new potential. This feature is accessible to a nonprofit or a state, local, or tribal government and eligible for these projects installed in 2022. Additional triggers like U.S.-sourced panels, certain labor requirements, and other factors can boost the incentive applied to the total project cost. This means that a solar plus storage system built under perfect circumstances could earn a whopping 50% of its value paid back directly to the system owner, reducing their solar investment costs by half. This is a major incentive for solar investments that can be combined with other programs and incentives, like state and federal bonus depreciation to further reduce system costs and provide more value to businesses through sustainability. Agricultural, commercial, and industrial businesses are more competitive with solar with reduced operating costs. And while this 30% is available for the next 10 years, electricity costs continue to grow across the board. The longer a business waits, the more it loses in potential savings that competitors equipped with solar are benefiting from. Claim energy independence for your business and take advantage of the significant savings the Solar Investment Tax Credit offers. Contact a Revel Energy solar specialist today to see how your business can use the new and improved Solar ITC.